3 reasons why choosing ones struggle with lust. If you are a choosing one, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know why you are struggling with lust. But before I proceed, I want to say you are most welcome. As you stop to watch this video, may God bless you. Now, who is a chosen one? A chosen one is someone that God appoints for a particular purpose. Maybe as a pastor, evangelist, minister, reverend father, reverend sister, whatever, anything that you are doing that glorify God, or you do the things of God, you do the work of God, you are a chosen one. So today's video is all about 3 reasons why chosen ones are struggling with lust. Number 1, isolation. As a chosen one, doing isolation, it can lead to temptation. It can lead to lust. It can make you to, in fact, you forget some things you are supposed to do as a chosen one because of what you saw. So, because of isolation, it can lead to lust. Maybe you desire a particular thing and you desire it so much. That is a lust. So, as a chosen one, be rest assured that you may be struggling with lust. But the most important thing is to always pray to avoid lust. The second reason why chosen ones struggle with lust is high calling lead to great attack. Yes, once you are chosen, enemies will come. People will come to fight you to make sure that you get out of faith, you get out of the things of God, or to make sure that you fall so that you did not achieve your goals in life. So as a chosen one, be rest assured that once you are choosing, it can lead to great attack because enemies, evil spirits, don't want the children of God to prosper. So as a chosen one, you may be struggling with loss because of high calling lead to great attack. Now, number 3 and the last reason why chosen ones struggle with loss is that strong spiritual gifts comes with weak flesh. Yes, it comes with a weak flesh because some bad spirits might not want you to do the things of God. God ordained you for a particular purpose, but evil spirits, enemies will, in fact, they will attack you so that you will have a weak mind, body and flesh to carry out your duty as a chosen one. And once you find it very difficult to pray, remember or bear in mind that that is the time you need to pray most. So once you are gifted, it comes with weak flesh and weak mind. So as a chosen one, bear these 3 reasons in mind. Anytime you encounter things like lust, I will advise you to pray to avoid becoming weak, to avoid lust, so that you will keep doing the things of God. You will carry out what God assigned you to do. So this is what I want to disclose in this video, and I hope you get value. Support this channel. Join us by subscribing and turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you will get notification. Thank you for watching. See you in my next upload. Bye.